Okay. Yes. Ramana Tata, I told you know how a root is like mother and father. How is it? Like mother and father, they take care of us, right? What does Appa and Amma do? When we are small children, Amma feeds us with the food, right? What does Amma give us? She gives us food, right? Our mothers give us food. Once what happened in Ramana Tata's ashram, there was a squirrel mother. How to show a squirrel mother? A small squirrel. A squirrel, and the squirrel mother had many little squirrels. She had given birth to small squirrels. And the small squirrels couldn't even open its eyes. They were all sitting like this in the nest. What were they doing? They were all closing their eyes and sitting in the nest. But what happened when the mother squirrel was going out and was trying to get the food from somewhere? One cat attacked it. You know what is a cat? Meow, cat. Okay, a cat attacked that squirrel, and that squirrel was no more. When the squirrel was not there, the little small squirrels were there. No, nobody was there to take care of them. What? The little squirrels did not have anybody to take care. So Ramana Tata saw that these little squirrels were hungry. What were they? They were hungry. So Ramana Tata brought all those little squirrels, and he kept all the little squirrels on a cotton bed. What? He made a bed out of soft cotton. What did he make? He made a bed of the cotton, and he placed all those kutti squirrels in the bed, and they were all hungry, right? And they had a small mouth. How small is the mouth of a squirrel? Very small mouth. So what did Ramana Tata do? He took a small piece of cotton and he sharpened the cotton like this, the edge of the cotton. He sharpened it like this, and he told, please get me a small bowl of milk. What? Milk. You all drink milk? Do you all drink milk? With Mukund and Govind, do you drink milk? Yes. Yes. Okay. In the same way, Ramana Tata was trying to give the milk to the little kutti squirrels. He put that small cotton inside the milk, and he slowly squeezed the cotton. What did he do? He squeezed the cotton. When he squeezed the cotton, a drop of milk went inside the mouth of the kutti squirrel. And the squirrels drank the milk, and their stomach was full, and they started playing with each other. What they do? They started playing with each other. So Ramana Tata, every now and then, whenever the squirrels were hungry, he used to bring all the squirrels and take a small cotton, sharpen the edge of the cotton, put it inside the milk, and put drop by drop into the mouth of the squirrel. And this is how he took care of the squirrels. So the small squirrels became big squirrels. What did they become? Small squirrels became big squirrels, and the big squirrels could move here and there, and they moved all over Ramana Tata's body like this. What did they do? They went around his body. They went and sat on his head. They went and sat on his shoulder, and they used to crawl all over his body, hands and legs like this. How they used to go? Hold a hand and show me how the squirrel used to go all over the body like this. Yes, and this is how Ramana Tata took care of those little squirrels. Will you remember the story of the squirrels and Ramana Tata? Yes. Now we are going to do the Arunachala Shiva. Veda, are you ready to sing Arunachala Shiva with me? Yes. Veda, unmute yourself. Veda Kartik, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Shiva, Arunachala.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. Aruna,
Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Arunachalam.
Arunachalam என்ன?
Arunachalam.
அகமே அகமே நினைப்பவர் நினை
நினைப்பவர்
அகத்தை
அகத்தை
வேறறுப்பாய்
வேறறுப்பாய்
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சலா.
கரெக்ட். அழகு
அழகு
சுந்தரம் போல்
சுந்தரம் போல்
அகமும்
அகமும்
நீயும் முற்றே
முத்திரே
அபின்னமாயிருப்போம்
அபிமாயிருப்போம்
அபின்னமா
அபிநமாய்
இருப்போம் அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல் அருணாச்சல சிவா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ. Sing.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல.
Very good. Clap for Veda Karthik. Mukund and Govind, are you ready? Govind, are you ready? Sit straight, Govind. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva,
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
அருணாச்சலம் என்ன?
அருணாச்சலம் என்ன?
அகமே நினைப்பவர்
அகமே நினைப்பவர்
அகத்தை வேறறுப்பாய்
அகமேறறுப்பாய்.
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சலா.
அழகு
அழகு
சுந்தரம்
சுந்தரம்
போல்
போல்
அகமும்
அகமும்
நீயும் முற்றே
நீயமுற்றே
அபின்னமாயிருப்போம்
அபிநமாயிருப்போம்
அருணாச்சலா.
அருணாச்சலா.
Very good. Sing Arunachala by yourself.
அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா. அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சல சிவ அருணாச்சலா.
Very good. Clap for Mukund and Govind. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to sing the English version. Mihir, will you to sing the English version with Amma? Okay. Arunachala Shiva. Sing yourself.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Arunachala.
Arunachala thought.
Arunachala thought.
Those who have in their heart
Those who have in their heart
their eye notion you approved.
their eye notion you approve.
Arunachala,
Arunachala.
like Alagu
Like Alaga
and Sundaram,
and Sundaram
sans I and you,
stands I and you
to some
to some
non-dual may we be.
non-dual may we be.
Arunachala.
Arunachala.
Very good. Arunachala Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Very good. Clap for me here, Amma. Super. Very good. Super. Okay. Vedant, are you ready? Will you sing this English version with me? Yes. Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva. Chala. Arunachala. Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala Shiva. Arunachala. Very good. Arunachala thought. Arunachala thought. Those who have in their heart their eye notion you approved. Arunachala, like Alagu
Like I agree
and Sundaram,
and Sundaram,
sans I and you,
I and you,
I and you,
I and you,
to some
you come to
non-dual may we be, non-dual, non-dual may we be. Arunachala, Arunachala, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. Very good. Clap for Vedant, everyone. Very good. Okay. We have one more new student. Yes, Suchita Agrawal. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, sir. First of all, very, very nice job. The way you are doing it. So, first time my daughter is doing some online thing. and
Hmm.
she's enjoying it. She's not
Hmm.
exactly imitating, very, very easy steps she's trying to imitate, but she's enjoying that thing.
Very good. What is her name? I'll say hello
Ask
to her.
me, say, Ira, tell your name. Tell your name to start. Don't shy. Tell your name. She's Ira.
Ira. Ira,
Ira.
hello. Say hi
Say
to
hi,
me.
Ira.
Ira.
Ira, say hi. Oh, she's eating something.
Yes,
Say
she's
hi, Ira.
eating. Very good. Very good.
You want to say hi?
Okay. Mukund and Govind, Namo Ramana. Namo Ramana. Okay. We will meet again next class. I'll keep you informed because I'm traveling in the weekend. So I'll keep you informed when is the next class. Maybe next Thursday we can have one class. Then we will plan some Saturdays class also. Okay. Mihir, Namo Ramana, Mihir. Namo Ramana.
Chumichana.